Hi guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to Yoga for Period Pain class. We start by sitting in Vajrasana and then bending forward in the child's pose. Try to keep your knee little bit wide apart so you can just relax in the pose. Keep your palms relaxed, arms are relaxed. Lengthen your spine. Try to stretch your lower back and bring your heels closer to the heels. Stay there and take a deep breath. Try to do longer inhalation and longer exhalation. Try to connect with your breath. Slowly inhale, come up. Come to cat and cow. So we do cat and cow stretch. Bring your palms under the shoulders. Inhale, head up. Exhale, hunch your back. Try to move your spine as much as you can. Take slow breath. Don't force your breath. Keep your knee little bit apart. Your feet are in line of your knees. Exhale and inhale. Inhale, head and chest up. Roll your chest up. Exhale, hunch your back. Try to bring your chin closer to the chest. Inhale, up. Exhale. Inhale. Breathe. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Stretch. Exhale. Keep pushing the palms. Breathe. Slowly exhale. Raise your hip up and come to downward dog. Try to walk with your knee little bit in and out. Stretch the back side of your legs nicely. Give a slow and deep stretch to your legs like this. Stay there, then slowly relax in child's pose. This time I am keeping my knees together. If you feel comfortable, you can keep them together. Otherwise, keep them wide apart. And just lengthen the spine. Try to follow your breath and stay there. Slowly inhale, come up. Exhale, sit down. Then slowly come to the butterfly pose. Try to do some butterfly stretch. Catch your feet. Try to open your knee wide apart. Try to bring your knees closer to the floor and stay there. You can take your hand support and bring your hip closer to the heels and then again take a deep stretch in the butterfly pose, Baddha Konasana. Then slowly stay there and bend forward. Just a gentle forward bend. Try to reach your palms little bit away from the feet and stay there. Don't strain your neck. Just stretch your lower back and breathe. Stay there. Gently try to bring your elbows on the floor and stretch. You can try to keep your forearms on the floor. Lengthen the spine and breathe. Slowly inhale, come up. Slowly walk back. Exhale, bring your feet together. Bring your knees together. Hug your knees. Try to bring your forehead closer to the knee and stay there. Breathe. Just try to relax your legs nicely. Mentally relax your body. Slowly inhale, come up. Exhale, open your legs wide apart. Little bit lesser than what you can stretch. And then exhale, bend forward. Just stay wherever you can comfortably. If you can go all the way down, then try to go all the way down. If you cannot, just stay wherever you can. Don't strain your back. Don't strain your neck. Hold the pose. Try to keep your palms away from the shoulders and keep your shoulders away from your face. Try not to hunch your back and breathe. Stay in the pose. Try to point your toes towards the sky. Slowly inhale, Keep your right hand on the mat. Lift your left hand up. Look at the left thumb. Then change your side. This is just a gentle side stretch to the spine. We repeat the same with the forearms on the floor. First we do it on the right and then on the left. Stay there, breathe. Now slowly try to bring your both forearm on the floor and stay there. Stay in Upavishta Konasana and breathe. Try to push your hip little bit back and breathe. Stay there. Try to observe the breath. Relax your shoulders. Keep pushing your shoulders away from the face. Lift your chest up. Stay there, breathe. Try to keep your knee tight. Don't strain your body. If you feel uncomfortable, just come back, relax, and you can come to the pose again. Slowly inhale, come up. Again, walk your knees together and hug your knees. Breathe, stay there. Try to give a good, nice hug to your body and relax. Then slowly take back support and then lie down on your back. Relax in Shavasana. Take a deep breath. Then gently inhale, bring your right leg up. Exhale, catch your feet. Try to catch your knee, interlacing the fingers, and then raise your hands as much up high as you can and stay there. Slowly bend your right knee, grab your right ankle and pull your knee closer to the chest and stay there, breathe. Try to push your left thigh on the floor, then slowly exhale and lift your head up. Slowly relax your head and then left hand, try to catch your right knee with the left hand and twist to the right. Stay there. Keep pushing the right shoulder on the floor and breathe. Pull your left knee down and stay there. Make sure both the shoulders are in one line. And breathe. Try to connect with your breath. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Slowly inhale, come up. Exhale, relax your right leg. We repeat the same with left leg. Inhale, raise your left leg up. Catch your feet, interlace the fingers. Stay there, breathe. Pull your leg closer. Breathe. Try to pull your leg more in. Yes. Slowly exhale. Bend your knee. Grab your ankle. Pull your knee closer to the chest. Exhale and raise your head up. Try to touch your forehead to the knee. Slowly exhale. Relax your forehead. Slowly relax your head. With your right hand, catch your left knee. Exhale and try to twist towards your right side. Keep pushing the left shoulder on the floor. Try to look at the left palm and breathe. Try to straighten the right knee and stretch your spine. Give a nice and good twist to the spine and breathe. Stay there. Try to follow the breath. Inhale. Exhale. Push your shoulders. Breathe. Slowly inhale. Raise your left leg up. Exhale and relax your left leg. Slowly inhale, raise your both leg up. Then slowly bend your knee. Try to grab your knee and pull your leg closer to the chest and stay there. Breathe. Keep pushing the lower back on the floor. Stay there. Breathe. This is amazing to release any tension from the back. Try to hug your knees nicely. Breathe. Stay there. Follow the breath. Inhale. While you exhale, pull your leg little bit more closer. Then slowly open your knee little bit and try to grab your feet from inside and then come to happy baby pose. Try to bring your legs in L shape and pull your knees on the sides of your shoulders, on the sides of your chest, and just stay there. Don't strain here. Try to push your hip down, push your lower back down and stay there. Breathe. Make sure your feet are pointing the sky and breathe. Your feet are facing the sky. Slowly inhale, bring your legs together and then twist to the right and stay there. Keep pushing the right shoulder on the floor. Breathe. Stay there. Slowly inhale, come up. Exhale, change your side. Bring your legs towards the left and look to the right. Keep breathing. Keep pushing the opposite shoulder on the floor. Stay there. Try to keep your feet completely relaxed. Slowly inhale, bring your both legs to the center and then bring your legs to the butterfly pose. You can keep your hands on the thigh or keep it on the sides, whichever is more comfortable, and just relax. Try to relax your back and your legs. If you want to adjust your heels or your feet little bit away from the pelvis, feel free to do that and relax. Stay there. If you want to take rest, you can relax your legs and then again come back to the butterfly pose. This is really amazing to ease your period pain, to ease your lower back pain. Try to follow the breath and stay in the pose. Try not to encourage your thoughts. Take a last breath. Inhale, exhale, gently bring your feet together. Stretch your feet together. Then again come to the butterfly pose. We do few more breath here. Inhale, exhale. Stay there. Breathe. And slowly inhale, bring your knee together, hug your knees and stay there. Then slowly inhale, bring your both leg up towards the sky, tighten the knee and then slowly come down. Then relax in Shavasana. Your palms are facing the sky, feet are little bit open. Breathe. Toes are completely relaxed. Stay in the pose. This is amazing to release any tension from the body, from the mind, and relax. Relax your whole body. Mentally relax, physically relax. Whole body from your toes to your head is completely relaxed. You can try to stay in Shavasana for 5 to 10 minutes. You can keep a good music and just stay there. This is really amazing, one of the best poses ever. So just stay in the pose. Try to remember what you did in your practice today. Think and be grateful for everything that is happening to you. Then slowly bring your feet together, point your toes, stretch your hands above your head, interlace the fingers, stretch your whole body from the top to bottom, stretch nicely, then relax and turn to the left side. Try to relax your head on your forearm and just relax in this pose for a bit. Slowly inhale, come up and sit down. Sit in Sukhasana and slowly relax. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to share it with your friends and family. See you next time.